Gormod o champagne o Swener efalle a beyond yn dim i'r pencampwyr newydd fynd ar ei hôl hi ar lannau dyfdwy. Jed Courtney yn taro'r postyn i'r nomads yn y chwarter awr agoriadol. Ond nid am y tro cynta'r tymor hwn, Rhys Griffiths, pwy arall, brwydodd y gol allweddol i goroni penwythnos hanesyddol i Llanelli. Ond ynghofiwch am y champagne, ynghofiwch am y golden boot hefyd. Mae yna drebl ar y gorwel i foes y sosban, gyda cwpan y gyngrair a chwpan Cymru eto i ddod heb sôn am Ewrop. Megis dechrau, mae'r cyffro i'r cochion.
The lads have been fantastic. There's not going to be from that. I mean, they've been a credit to the club, and everybody works for the club. And we're going to go back home tonight now, and most probably have a couple of beers, but not too much. We'll go play again Tuesday.
We're ecstatic that it's finally over and we got the trophy in the bag. Airbus did us a favour last night, and it's just a great day.
But the season isn't over. You still got the cups.
Far from it. We got 2 cups to go for, and we're determined to get those. So it's a long way to go yet.
Honestly think you'd be playing Champions League football again?
No, to be honest with you, I didn't. You know, it was a wonderful moment at Leeds United when we went on that special run and in the UEFA Cup. But it's something that most players don't get to experience throughout their careers. I've certainly done that, and I've got another opportunity with Llanelli again.
The table doesn't lie, does it? Over the season, I've not seen too much of them apart from what I've seen on telly, but they're nice, strong defensively. They've got 1 or 2 weapons that a lot of other teams haven't got. And again, in Griffiths, they've got the man who scores the goals. So I think overall they deserve it. I think that the league will get stronger over the years, you know, so that it's not just those and TNS that are romping away with it.